Now see the children. Exercise 5.2 fourth sum. Find the missing angles in each of the following triangle. Once observe the children. Figure here SKV. One figure is there. SKV triangle. K is 60 degrees. V is 70 degrees. Here S is no value is given. We should find the S value. And see the draw the triangle like this SKV. The given triangle SVS. KVS. Angle K plus angle V plus angle S is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Angle K is equal to 60 degrees. Angle V is equal to 70 degrees. And right angle S as it is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. 60 plus 70. 130 degrees plus angle S is equal to 180 degrees. Then angle S is equal to 180 minus 130. 180 minus 130 is equal to, very good, 50 degrees. Therefore, angle S is equal to 50 degrees. Okay. Now second sum. Given BUN, triangle BUN, given triangle BUN, angle B plus angle U plus angle N is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Okay. What is the angle B? 105 degrees plus U 55 degrees. And don't know, right, angle N is equal to 180 degrees. 105 plus 55. 160 degrees plus angle N is equal to 180 degrees. Then angle N is equal to 180 degrees minus 160 degrees, that is equal to 20 degrees. Therefore, angle N is equal to 20 degrees. Now observe the third sum. Here PTA, triangle PTA. Here only T value is given. How can you find the P and A value? Once observe the children. Here right angle is there. A is 90 degrees. See, given triangle PTA, angle A is equal to 90 degrees. Angle A is equal to 90 degrees. Why? This is right angle. Angle P plus angle T plus angle A is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. In a triangle is 180 degrees. P value, what is the P value? You don't know, right? Angle P plus angle T 38 degrees. Angle A 90 degrees is equal to 180. We can add 38 plus 90. Angle P plus 38 plus 90, 128 degrees is equal to 180. Transpose 120. Angle P is equal to 180 minus 128. 180 minus 128, what is the answer? 180 minus 128. Here borrowing 7, 1, 10 minus 8, 2, 52 degrees. 52 degrees. Therefore, angle P is equal to 52 degrees. Okay. This one only you should find the one angle inside of the angle. Now fifth sum, see the observe the children. Fifth sum, find the value of x in each of the following triangle. Find the value of x in each of the following triangle. This is here find the interior of the angles. Here x is the outside of the triangle. How can you find? Once observe the children. Here CUT, triangle CUT, angle C is equal to 64 degrees, angle U is equal to 46 degrees are given. You should find the X value. First, you can check the inside of the triangle. C 64, U 46 degrees, and you can find the T value here. This value you should find. Yes, according to angle sum property, you can find this angle T value. After that, T and X are linear pair. T and X are linear pair. You can find the X value. ఒకసారి చూడండి అమ్మా ఎలా చేయాలో. Find the value of X in each of the given triangle. CUT triangle ఇచ్చారు. C value 64 degrees, U value 46 degrees. ఫస్ట్ మనం T value, ఇక్కడ ఉన్న T value ఫైండ్ చేద్దాం. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ T అండ్ X ఆర్ లీనియర్ పేర్. తర్వాత సెకండ్ పార్ట్లో వచ్చేద్దాం. గివెన్ triangle CUT, angle C plus angle U plus angle T is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Angle C 64 degrees plus U 46 degrees plus should find the angle T is equal to 180 degrees. 64 plus 46 110 degrees plus angle T is equal to 180 degrees. 110 transpose to angle T is equal to 180 minus 110 degrees. Angle T is equal to 70 degrees. This value is 70. ఇది 70 వచ్చింది మనకి. ఓకే. Now second part చూడండి. Second part. X plus 70 is equal to 180. X plus 70 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Why? Linear pair. Okay. Then transpose 70. X is equal to 180 minus 70 degrees. Then X is equal to 110 degrees. What is X value? X is equal to 110 degrees. Okay అమ్మా, అర్థమైంది కదమ్మా. హియర్ లీనియర్ పేర్తో మనం చేయాలి సమ్ని. ఓకే. నౌ సెకండ్ సమ్. ట్రయాంగిల్ NET, triangle NET, angle N is equal to 78 degrees, angle E is equal to X degrees, and angle T is equal to X degrees. Okay. Yes, in triangle NET, given triangle NET, angle N plus angle E plus angle T is equal to 180 degrees. Angle sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Okay. What is the angle N value? 78 degrees. What is the E value? X plus angle T also X is equal to 180. Yes, see, X plus X, these two are variables. X plus X means 2X. 78 degrees plus 2X is equal to 180 degrees. According to simple equation sums, you can transpose this side. 2X is equal to 180 minus 78 degrees. 180 degrees minus 78 degrees. 2X is equal to 180 minus 78. 180 minus 78. Borrowing 7, 1. Okay. This one 10 minus 8, 2. Here 0, 102 degrees. 102 degrees. 2X is equal to 102 degrees. We want X. X is equal to 102 by 2. Okay, you can divide 2. 2 5s are 10 and remainder is 2. 2 1s are 2. 0. 51 degrees. Therefore, X is equal to 51 degrees. In sixth sum, find the value of x and y in each of the following triangle. In previous sum, you should find the only x value, but here you should find the x and y. Two variables you should find. One, see the triangle TOP. T is equal to 60 degrees, O is equal to y, and P is equal to x. Here, inside of the triangles, 60 degrees, y and x. These two are unknown values. Two variables are there. Only one value is you know. You should find the another value. How can you find one subject? X and y, x or y, what is the any relation is there? One subject. Here 68 degrees here given. Angle P is 68 degrees. One subject, these two lines are which lines? Like this, two lines meet one point is called intersecting lines. The point is called intersecting point. Here form and angles are called vertically opposite angles. Okay, vertically opposite angles. This one in comes in the lines and angles. Here x is equal to how much? What is the value of x? X also 68 degrees. Okay, two lines meet అయ్యాయి అనుకోమ్మా, ఇలా క్రాస్గా వచ్చిన టూ యాంగిల్స్ని వెర్టికల్లీ ఆపోజిట్ యాంగిల్స్ అంటారు. వెర్టికల్లీ ఆపోజిట్ యాంగిల్స్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్. దెన్ ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 68 అవుతుంది. ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ x value, x is equal to 68 degrees, right? Directly vertically opposite angle. Okay, x value వచ్చేసింది 68 degrees. Now find the y value. According to angle some property, in triangle TOP, second part, in triangle TOP, angle T plus angle O plus angle P is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of three angles in a triangle, three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Is 180 degrees. What is the T value? 60 degrees. O value y. P value x. X means 68 degrees. Is equal to 180 degrees. 60 plus 68, y plus 60 plus 68. 60 plus 68 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. y plus 128 degrees is equal to 180. 128 transpose. Y is equal to 180 minus 128. You can subtract 180 minus 128. Borrowing 7, 10. 10 minus 2, 10 minus 8, 2. 7 minus 2, 5. Here 1 minus 1, 0. 52 degrees. Then y is equal to 52 degrees. Y is equal to 180 minus 128. Therefore, y is equal to 52 degrees. Now, sixth head, second question. Given triangle EFG, E is 70 degrees, F is 74 degrees, G is here x and y. Divide into two parts. Here x. Inside angle is x, outside angle is y. Here inside of the triangle is 70 degrees and 74 degrees. Two angles are given. You should find the x value easily according to angle sum property. After that you can find the y value through linear pair. Okay. Now see the children. How can you do this sum? First one, in triangle EFG, angle E plus angle F plus angle G is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of three angles in a triangle. Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Is 180 degrees. Every time you should write that proof. Angle E is 70 degrees plus 74 degrees plus G is x is equal to 180 degrees. 70 plus 74, 144 plus x is equal to 180 degrees. We want x. X is equal to 180 minus 144 degrees. 180 minus 144. 7, 10. 10 minus 4, 6. 7 minus 4, 3, 0 is equal to 36 degrees. Therefore, x is equal to 36 degrees. Okay. Now, second part. Once observe the figure. X plus y is linear pair. This one straight line divided into two. The x and y are two adjacent angles. Linear pair. X plus y is equal to 180 degrees. Linear pair. Linear pair. X is equal to 36 degrees plus y is equal to 180 degrees. Y is equal to 180 minus 36. 180 minus 36 is equal to 144 degrees. Then y is equal to 144 degrees. Therefore, x is equal to 36 degrees. Y is equal to 144 degrees.